Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to insert image into a Google Calendar event. So first open Google Calendar on your browser, either creating a new event or just click on the existing one. Just have to click on edit event option from the pencil icon and you will see this kind of interface. Now scroll down until you find the description box. This is where you can add notes, links, and even image. To insert an image, click the Google Drive icon. From here, you can choose image you have already uploaded, and then you just have to select the image and click on the insert button. And as you can see, it will appear in your event description. Finally, hit the save button at the top of your screen, and your image is now a part of the event. Anyone with the access will see it when they have viewed your event details. And that's it, a quick and simple way to make your Google Calendar events more visual and engaging. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.